Welcome to another video. Right below me I have another Adams mystery box. Well, actually two mystery boxes because they had them and I really just couldn't pass it up. First, again, too, like I've been saying in a lot of my recent videos, thanks to all the new subscribers. It really makes me happy, going onto my YouTube channel and seeing that I have more subscribers, seeing that more people care videos I'm actually putting on YouTube. So that really means a lot to me. So thank you. Let's get into the video. I'm going to show you guys what I got. I first just want to start off by saying the mystery boxes that I ordered, because this round of mystery boxes that they had, you could actually choose what kind of mystery box you wanted, like a random one, a washing one, an interior one, etc, etc. I ended up going with one random mystery box and the other one being a wax and sealant mystery box. So I'm going to show you what I got. This here is the waterless wash towel, which you get this in the Adams sample kit, which I promise I'm going to make a video about that one day to show you guys what comes in there, because I really like that. But you get this. This says right on here the price is $16 and the mystery box is $29.99. So you know that's already off to a pretty good start there. Next thing I got is the single soft polishing towel, which I believe you also get one of these in the sample kit too, which I like this towel. I'm really excited to use this towel with one of the things I'm going to show you. I might as well just grab it right now and show you guys. I got ceramic boost. Now my car isn't ceramic coated, but this says, I couldn't contain my excitement to open this box up before recording it, so I read this and it says that you can actually use this on its own as a sealant on its own without having your car ceramic coated. So definitely look for a review on this, because I'm really interested to see how this actually works and how to use it and that kind of stuff. So I guess I'll get these out the way. I got two of these little tire shine sponge things. You also get this with the sample kit. I'm really talking about the sample kit a lot, but you get two. I got two of these, so that's kind of lackluster, but it's okay. I got leather and interior cleaner, which I actually got two of these, so that's good. My car has leather interior. You always need to clean your car's interior, so that's good. Kind of bummed that I got two of the same thing, but hey, it's a mystery box. Maybe they needed to get rid of some product. So that's that. Next thing I got is the Eco wheel cleaner, which I've never used an Adams wheel cleaner. My wheels don't really stay dirty. I kind of typically keep them clean without using a wheel cleaner. You can just spray them off, but really eager to try this out too. So I'll actually make an update video about everything that's in this box, plus the stuff from the last box, which is my last video, which you guys really seem to like. So I'll make a video, update video, letting you know how I like some of this stuff. Next thing in the box is Adams VRT. Focus, there we go. And this is the vinyl, rubber, and trim. I guess this is like a coating type of thing for it. I'll see if I can find something to do with this. I guess you could put it on tires or something like that. I see a lot of people do that on YouTube. They use it as like a tire shine that's not really a shine. So look out for this in the update video too, and I'll let you know how I like that. And I got some waterless wash. Now this waterless wash, I really do kind of like this stuff, because you also get this in the sample box too, which from trying it out there, I really kind of like this stuff because it's really helpful. If you just got a really small spot you just want to clean up, if you're at a car show or something like that, it's really helpful. It's really nice. So that's practically my review of this right there. It's great. I love it almost as much as I love the detail spray, which I can show you guys how much I love their detail spray. This is the bottle I keep in my car, and it's non-existent. So that's basically that for the mystery box. And I got all of these spray nozzles for the bottles of stuff, and can't forget the most important thing, Adams sticker and some kind of mystery candy gum thing. I don't know, I've never opened these. I'm not gonna do it. Also, while I got you guys here, I want to talk about this stuff. Now this obviously isn't a part of the mystery box, but I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers using this. Well, not really a lot of YouTubers. One YouTuber used this, and I really like it. I used to use Mothers a lot when I first got into detailing and things like that, but once I found out about Adams kind of stole my heart from Mothers. But I really like this stuff. It works great. Expect a review on this, a separate review on this. Actually, I'll compare this to Adam's detail spray because this stuff is really good, and I really didn't expect it to be as good as that YouTuber said, which I can't think of their name now, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere so you can see, go follow them, something like that. But this stuff is really good, and in terms of price of this, it's like $8 or $9 at Walmart, whereas Adam's I think is like $14, $15. I'll put the price up here somewhere because I can't think of it off the top of my head, but it's way more expensive than this stuff is, and this stuff is really good. Expect a review of this to come out, plus a review of or update video about all these other things that came in my mystery boxes that came in one box, surprisingly. So expect a update video about that. That's really gonna be it for this video. Actually, no, you know what's not gonna be it. Expect a lot of detailing videos to come pretty soon on my channel. I know I said this channel would be primarily like Corvette stuff, which you can't see the Corvette, it's over there, but I know I said there's going to be a lot of Corvette, Audi related stuff, but I mean, Audi isn't really broken right now, thank God. And the Corvette, as you guys know, project cars take money. I have a problem, as you can see. So just be patient with me on that. And as it's car show season, I mean, a lot of us are going to be wanting to detail their cars, and a lot of people like me want to find out new ways to do certain things, and also find new products. So look out for that. It's car show season. I'm gonna throw up a couple pictures from the last couple car shows I've been at, and if you're in the Illinois area and you see me at a car show, say what's up. You can take some pictures together or something. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked the video, like it. If you didn't like it, that other button works too. Subscribe, leave a comment saying what you like best. If you got a mystery box, let me know what you got. That's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.